There must be no more challenges that can perplex him. Ladies and gentlemen, here is a new way to use your piano. These guys were not only strong, but also have great balance. She just enjoyed her -27-degree coffee time. He looked so confident after catching that scepter. Do you think someone edited this into a proper loop? His skills are just crazy. B, the dog, is not only the fastest, but also extremely intelligent with this performance. Do you think you did the best? No. This next guy could show a completely different level. It took him just over 2 seconds to finish this. He was literally riding down the untouched parts of the mountain that everyone looks at and goes. Imagine if someone saw this. Because they are a species with poor resistance and are very susceptible to diseases. With any change in their living environment, they find it difficult to adopt and become weaker. Therefore, farm owners need to regularly observe and check the health of seahorses on the farm. Currently, raising seahorses as ornamental animals has become popular around the world. They are kept in aquariums. You can buy a brightly colored seahorse in your home aquarium for around $50 to $150 each, depending on the species and size. Seahorses are said to be very intelligent, so you will find it more interesting to keep a seahorse as a pet. Not only raised as ornamental animals, seahorses are also raised for meat, and seahorse meat is very popular in Japan and China. Seahorse is an extremely healthy medicine herb, known for its great benefits to the body's physiological functions. Using seahorses helps strengthen virility, regulate energy, activate blood, and bring about a stronger, healthier body. Seahorses are widely known for the benefits they bring to the physiological functions of the male body. They can be used to improve impotence, erectile dysfunction, or improve ejaculation, early as well as cure diuresis, and help improve reproductive functions. In addition, seahorses also contain a lot of protein. These proteins are very good for the antioxidant process, slowing down aging and helping to regenerate red blood cells in the blood, improving detoxification ability and giving appearance youthful and fresh. Many seahorse farms export dried seahorses to Japan
to suit specific production needs. At the same time, this line also ensures accuracy and speed in the packaging process, helping to save time and labor. Look at the kiwi fruits with their beautiful appearance and unique flavor being cut evenly into the tray. Would you like to enjoy them? Sharp blades work professionally, like long-time skilled workers to produce the best products. Do you feel excited about it? Please comment down below. Fruit sorting machines are often designed to work with many different types of fruits, from succulent fruits such as watermelon and tomatoes to hard fruits such as apples and pears. Sensors and computer systems are used to classify fruit based on preset parameters such as size, shape, color, and weight. Dried strawberries are a perfect combination between the natural sweetness of fresh strawberries and the crunch of dryness, with its bright color and unique flavor. Dried strawberries are not only a delicious dish, but also a nutritious and healthy choice.